I'm a senior buyer. We always look at the numbers and see if we have met the requirements for inventory. I issue POs where we need POs. I resolve issues with inventory or customer issues or vendor issues with inventory. I work with the quality manager and engineering to ensure that we have quality products coming in the building. We have a really good work environment. We have a good group of people working on the floor and in the office. We have a great plant manager right now that is really delegating work and keeping us accountable, and it's a good place to work because you feel like you're accomplishing something. You feel like you're being acknowledged for things accomplished, and you also see the growth in the company, the revenue this place is making, and the difference it's making for all of us.